Good morning. My name is Miss Katie, and welcome to today's Play at Home program. Play at Home is a new program at the library where the library provides materials for you to pick up that allow you to do some learning and playing in your home. We thought this would be a great way to remind all of our friends and grown-ups out there that play is so important for our young ones to develop so many different kinds of skills that lead to school readiness. Today's play at home is a scavenger hunt. We had 6 colored discs in our play at home kits, and they were the colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Of course, we want you to go ahead and find something in your home that matches the colors on the 6 discs. This is a great way to encourage your child to get up and move around, as well as to practice color identification. But that's not all. These 6 discs are on a ring, so they can be taken out into the world. You can have your child do a scavenger hunt while you're driving around in your car. You can have your child do a nature scavenger hunt when you take a walk outside. You can have your child do a scavenger hunt at the grocery store while you're picking up your foods and other materials. The possibilities are endless on where you can have a scavenger hunt. There are other ideas to continue the learning and playing at home with the materials we provided this week. You can talk to your child about different shades of colors. Your orange may not perfectly match the orange piece of paper that we provided, so talk about light and dark and how colors come in different shades. This is also a great way to build vocabulary. You can talk about those fantastic color words like chartreuse, magenta. You can talk about the ones that they may recognize more easily, like teal. And there are so many other great color words out there. I hope you enjoyed today's Play at Home kit. If you haven't had a chance to pick up your kit, please know that they are at the library. You can go ahead and give us a call at 847-729-7500, or you can send us an email at ysdepartment@glenviewpl.org to let us know that you would like to pick up your kit. If you didn't register for the program, you could also call or email to see if we have extra kits available. And if this is your first time doing Play at Home, a reminder that you should register for each week separately. That way, in case you have something going on that week and you're not able to pick up your kit, you leave room for everybody who wants to participate. We'll be back same place, same time next week on Tuesday mornings. Until then, enjoy playing at home. Bye, friends!